I'm going to show how I use Warp to learn unfamiliar parts of a code base. I'm going to do this in Warp's own code base with this new agents pop-up that we have, which is something we just added. I want to add a button to it, but I don't know how it works and I don't know where in the code it is, so I'm going to ask Warp to explain it to me. Please explain to me how the agent pop-up code is structured, where it lives in the code base, and how it is rendered and called. I want to understand the full data flow and structure of that component so that I can figure out how to add a new agent button to it. So as this runs, I'll call out some cool things. This is, like I said, working on Warp's code base, which is over 1 million lines of Rust code with a custom UI framework, so it's not a simple thing to understand. First, we use semantic search, which is like a vectorized embedding search, to try to figure out where the right code might be. It's done a good job. It found what I assume is the file here, this agent management pop-up. Then it switches into a mode of searching where it uses grep and searches for specific strings across the code base. You'll notice it kind of trades off doing these different kinds of searches. Here it's reading a specific file, which I'm ashamed to say is like a 10,000 line file, and so it breaks it into smaller pieces and just reads the relevant sections, which is a smart thing to do. Then it goes and iteratively searches for these symbols and then reads the files. And so it's going to do this for a second, and then it's going to be able to give me a good explanation of the structure. So let's take a look at what we got here. Seems right. This is where the pop-up is defined. This is where it's rendered into our workspace, and these are the actions associated with it. It gives me an overview of each of these pieces of code. Wow, this is really cool. It's showing me how our tab bar is rendered and where the pop-up is added. It's giving me a very detailed explanation here, which is exactly what I want. And then it tells me how I could get started on building the feature that I described. Thank you, and I hope this was helpful.